Whoa, look at this growling stomach. Our tummies need food to keep us strong and healthy. Did you know that our stomachs have special muscles to mix food? And guess what? Our brains help tell our stomachs when it's time to eat. Let's see how animals eat in the wild. Some animals even have special tools to eat their food. Did you know that our tongues help mix food with saliva? And what about food from other planets? But wait, the coolest part is coming. Our bodies have special helpers called enzymes to break down food. And did you know that some foods are good for our brains? Some animals even have special stomachs to store food. Let's see what happens when we eat too much food. Our bodies have special ways to get rid of extra food. Some foods even help us grow strong and tall. Did you know that our tummies have special friends to help digest food? Ready for something mind-blowing? Our bodies have special ways to store energy from food. And some foods even help us feel happy and focused. Some animals even have special ways to store food for the winter. Let's see the most amazing food in the world. And that's why our stomachs growl. See you next time.